Okay, getting ready to fix an engine. It's a Pennsylvania 2028. I believe it's Lionel. Bought a motor, or bought this on eBay. Had a bad motor. Somebody had cut this harness to where it couldn't be repaired, couldn't splice on wires. I don't own the tool to get the wires and the pins out of there to depin it. So I went online to Train Z and they had the harness. So bought the harness. Thank you very much, Train Z, for having the harness. And getting ready to put it on and then finish this wiring so we can have this engine running again. First thing, of course, I had to put the new motor on, which got that on eBay as well. Download it's pretty close to the exact same engine. It's got the same harness. It plugs in. It would actually be this way. But the red wire comes out and feeds the two pickups here on the bottom for the center rail of the O gauge. So that'll be the red wire, which I'll pull the old harness out. Can go ahead and put the new harness in. And it's nice. It's got all the ends already crimped on to be able to plug it right up according to the diagram, which shows where the blue, green, and yellow wires go. So the first one is the red wire, and that's going to feed the pickups. Like I said, this one and this one, they both go down. I had to put new wires on them, which normally I would crimp and solder these, but when I took it apart, these had been put on with I guess so you can take them off, with a wire nut. So I'm going to put a small wire nut back on this section. The rest of these just clip on. So it's just a matter of hooking this up and attaching the light back into where it goes, putting the body back on, and should be able to get a test run on it. But all this was available on eBay and websites. Like I say, this was at the Lionel site, and they've got basically all the wiring diagrams on there for anyone wanting to do repairs to their engines. If something were to be wrong with the board, because I believe this one has speech to it, I don't think I'll be able to fix that, but hopefully we'll get it running and there isn't any other problems with it. So thank you for watching.